Hey, I'm Morgan from the very unofficial travel guides. It's the summer of 2020, travel is restricted, cruising has been canceled, so I'm taking the opportunity to visit some of the attractions here in my home country of Germany and all around Europe. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get to Disneyland Paris with the TGV trains. Oh, no. Disneyland Paris is one of the most popular tourist destinations in all of Europe. Though not as big as its Florida counterpart, there are a lot of similarities when it comes to Disney magic. One major bonus of staying in an official Disney resort in Florida is you can take advantage of the Magical Express buses, which are a complimentary Disneyfied way to get you from the airport to your resort and back. While Paris does have multiple resorts on property similar to Orlando, there is no complimentary transportation from the airport. Which leaves you with the question,
how are we gonna get there?
If you're flying into Charles de Gaulle, my recommendation is to take the TGV trains, and here's how you do it. Once you've booked your flights and know your arrival and departure time, I recommend downloading the we.sncf app. This will help you see the times and prices, and you can buy your virtual ticket right in the app. There are ticket machines in the station, but at the moment, tickets are limited due to you know what. So if you want to be sure to get in a train, buy a ticket in advance. It's way easier to do it in the app than it is in the machines anyways. There are peak times where tickets are more expensive, but all in all, plan on around 20 to 25 euros each way. When booking your TGV, if you're arriving from anywhere outside France, which is going to require you to go through customs and immigration, I would say give yourself at least 90 minutes after landing in order to avoid stress. 2 hours is safer, but if you breeze through really quickly, you'll be waiting longer. Once you get out of the baggage claim into the main part of the airport, just follow the signs to the train station, which is directly in the airport. Just keep looking for the signs until you make it to the big, bright, modern station. There will be arrival and departure monitors in the mezzanine area that show you what train is coming to what platform at what time. For the TGV, make sure you're looking at the monitors for the mainline trains or the Grandes Lignes, I know I'm not saying that right, and not the smaller trains or the RER. Check the time your train is supposed to be leaving and then find the corresponding train with the correct train number to see which platform your train will be leaving from. Don't be alarmed if there's 2 trains leaving at the same time from the same platform. That just means the train that you are in is a great big train made out of 2 other trains and that they're going to split someplace. But don't worry about that because you're only taking it 1 stop. In an older video about taking the TGV, I said that it's possible to hop in the train without a ticket, but that is no longer possible. You have to show your ticket to even get onto the platform nowadays. Once you've checked the platform number on the monitor, gone to the entrance to the platforms, let them scan your ticket, and taken the escalators down to the platform, then it's just about waiting for your train to show up. How will you know which train is the right one? Well, look at the signs. There are signs hanging on the platform, there are signs on the actual side of the train, and there are also friendly people to ask if you get confused. Remember, there's not going to be anything that's saying Disneyland Paris, it's going to say Marne-la-Vallée. See? This is the sign announcing the next train. It leaves at 9:46 and stops in Marne-la-Vallée, so that must be mine. At the moment, you are required to purchase a seat reservation with your ticket to keep track of how many people are in the train. The train will most likely leave on time and it will not wait for you, and they do not deal well with people holding the doors for others. So get your butt into the train on time. Once the train leaves Charles de Gaulle, you'll be at the Marne-la-Vallée station in about 12 minutes, so it's really not worth hauling all your luggage to your reserved seats. It's better to just hang out by the doors, of course, making sure you don't block the entrance for anyone boarding the train after you at the airport. Yeah, the next stop will be Marne-la-Vallée, which is Disneyland. You literally come up out of the station and you are right at the entrance plaza. There you can go directly into the parks, walk to the Disney Village, or take one of the buses to your hotel. To get back to the airport, you basically just follow the directions backwards. It really is quick and easy, especially if you've ever taken any kind of public transportation in any big city before. And just for comparison, the official, unofficial magical shuttle buses cost around 23 euros for adults, 10 euros for kids. The ride takes about an hour, and there are only 6 buses or less a day. However, if you're flying into Paris Orly Airport, this might be the best bet for you. Planning a trip to Disneyland Paris? Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, because there's going to be a lot of Disneyland videos coming up soon. From the hotels, to the food, to the parks and attractions, all from our visit in the second week after the parks reopened this year in 2020. Hope to see you soon!